Y'all, I've been losing weight really rapidly, not rapidly, but steadily for about a year now. And I've been eating sort of a ketogenic diet. I didn't even know to call it that, but I wanted to give you a tip of something that's really been working for me, and it sounds crazy that it would. Those of you who are getting into ketogenics and carnivore diets and stuff like that, you know that this really does work for weight loss, and my diabetes has turned 100% around. All my blood work has looked great. My doctor's been very ticked with it. Cholesterol, A1C, all of that, blood sugar levels. Let me switch the camera around here just for a moment. So what I have here is some shaved ribeye that I bought on sale, and I've just air cooked it, air fried it in that little Cuisinart air fryer, which does great. It took about maybe 8 or 9 minutes to cook it that way. I just put salt and some of my pepper powder. I have sort of my own little blend of pepper powder. But this is what's really cool. That, my friends, is almost about a third of a stick of melted butter, salted butter. I threw some sour cream in it, some more of my pepper powder, and I mixed all it up. And here I have some avocado I'm getting ready to mix really well into that. Then I'm gonna take these scissors here and I'm gonna cut up my pieces of meat, and I'm gonna mix it all in there, and it makes like a really sauced up meat, avocado-y type thing. You know, some people are on the carnivore diet and they don't eat any vegetables. I do eat vegetables, just low-carb vegetables. And I'm here to tell you this is great. Now, it looks a mess when I get through doing it. I'm gonna stir all that stuff in, then I'm gonna cut the meat up into small little segments, but it makes a really nice, digestible, super filling dinner, or it's actually lunch. I skipped breakfast this morning. And this will do me until way past supper time. I will feel awesome. And I typically lose half a pound to a pound a day if I just eat one meal a day and do this. I may eat some supper tonight, which usually means that I'll break even. But let's go ahead and fix this up, and I'll show you how it looks. Okay, now before I mix it all up in there, I thought I'd show you how I cut it with the scissors. It takes a couple minutes. I just cut it up in really nice little fine pieces like that. It makes it real easy to swallow, and it makes it real easy to mix up. The one thing I didn't mention is when I mix the avocado in, I do mash it up kind of with the fork. So it sort of becomes an avocado, butter, pepper powder, and sour cream sort of sauce. And so I'm going to go ahead and mix this all together, and I'll show you what it looks like when I'm finished with that. Okay, folks, this is what it looks like when it's done. It's all mixed up. I told you it's kind of a mess. I'm here to tell you, though, I eat stuff like this, and it totally fills me up for about 6 hours. I will not feel hungry until dinner, and I might even skip dinner tonight. And my blood work has been fine. Like I say, all aspects of it. My doctor, who is a vegetarian, tells me to keep doing exactly what I'm doing because my A1C is totally turned around from like 8.6 to 5.5. No problems with cholesterol, no problems with triglycerides, any kind of thing like that. Now, you may find old videos of me where I'm tried to be vegetarian. I even tried to be a vegan for probably about 3 or 4 weeks. Didn't go too well with that. I did do the vegetarian thing for about 5 or 6 months, and I lost weight, but then I hit a sticking point and couldn't go any further. I went from about 335 down to about 312, 313, something like that. And one of the things I was doing was still eating a lot of rice and beans and stuff that had a lot high carbohydrate content. I was eating sweet potatoes, and I was almost no fat, so I've sort of reversed that. Now I eat no cakes, candies, cookies, ice cream, nothing, potato chips, Doritos, stuff like that. I've totally eliminated all that. I eat some nuts and stuff once in a while. Mostly I just eat meat, dairy products, cheese, and low-carb vegetables like avocados and cabbage and Brussels sprouts and broccoli and cauliflower and peppers and lettuce. Stuff like that. I avoid spinach because it causes me to have kidney stones. But there you go, folks. Hopefully this helps. I promise you, try that. Those keto friends of mine, maybe you've got a concoction like this that you make already, but it's real easy to eat, tastes fantastic, and it's great for a keto type diet. Peace to all who watch. Subscribe to the channel if you like.